In this video, we are going to fix an error for downloading State of Decay 2 in Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to restart your PC. So try to restart your computer, and once you have relaunched your Windows again, try to check if the error has been resolved. So try to download the State of Decay 2 again and check if it's working. However, if not, then let's proceed to the next solution, and that is you need to try to sign out and signed in your Microsoft Store account again, meaning that you will need to sign out first your Microsoft Store account. And once you have signed it out, you need to sign it in again. And after that, try to download again and check if it's working. However, if not, then you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. How we can do that? Please navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. At the settings window, please navigate to the search bar at the upper left side of the screen and then type for Windows Store app. Then you can find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on it and click on next to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. So this will help you to fix the error if the Windows Store apps is not working right, okay? So after this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved, okay? So if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.